I welcome you in this lecture in which we talk about the amazing use of duplicate command and how can you make a complex to complex products in seconds by using duplicate commands. So let's get started. So firstly I will drop this cube here on work plane. And what is the difference between copy and duplicate command? It's just that in copy you just copy the thing and the same thing will be replicated. But when we duplicate like this, I have selected this, I have duplicated, and if I will put another cube from here on this much distance, and then if I will duplicate it again, then at the same distance, so many at the same distance at the same interval, the cube will be entered like this. These are very periodic and the distance between two cubes are fixed. So this is how we can use the duplicate command. Again I will show you that how duplicate commands can work amazingly and reduce your loads of time. Like if I am taking this cube again and I have just duplicated, and after duplicating if I will put this cube here onwards, then if I will do duplicate again, then this pattern will be follows. Similarly, if I duplicate this and put one cube here like this, whenever I want to put and then duplicate it, then this pattern again is be followed. So these patterns will be followed by duplicate commands with, so you can do things in seconds. Now let's look that how this will be very useful for you. So I will select all this and delete. Okay, now I will put a cone here. This one, and I will duplicate it, and after duplicating it I will put this cone slightly on Z direction like this, and then if I will duplicate again, then this pattern will be right. I hope you got understand that in duplicate we can find a similar pattern. So suppose you want to make stairs, then how you can make stairs by using duplicate command. So I am putting this cube here, then just stretching some length, decreasing its height. So this is like your one stair, and I will duplicate it. So duplicate it, and this one is duplicated. Now I want to raise some height, I want to move some angle, and then I will duplicate. So here you can see the stairs has been created like this. I will just pull it down. So this is how amazingly you can create your stairs and anything you want to create in repetitive pattern by using duplicates command. So this is, you can see how beautiful is this looking, and if you will create by your own, then you need so much calculation, so much effort, so much command. But by taking duplicate command you can make it in seconds. So I hope you got the fair idea about how you can use duplicate command. Similarly, one thing I also want to tell you, I just want to enhance your perception that how you can benefited by these commands like this. Like if I will again increase it this length, then if I will decrease it its height, then I can decrease the height, and then if I want to I will duplicate it, and after duplicating this one, if I will rotate it some angle like this, and then if I will duplicate, then this will be like this, and if I will change the angle, then the circle can be drawn widely. So I just gave you the idea about how you can use duplicate commands amazingly and what type of results you will get in seconds by using duplicate commands. So I hope when you make your models, you will use, whenever you require something like this, you will use duplicate commands for creating your object faster. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn complete 3D printing and make a career in this field, you can click to the link given in description box and start your journey now. In this course, you will learn 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, from start to finish. This course includes design of 3D models, slicing of 3D model, 3D scanning, types of 3D printers, steel file formats, post-processing, 3D printing materials, and many more, along with assignments and quizzes. At the end of the course, you will get a certificate which will help you for your job interviews. The prices of course is so minimal that everyone can afford. So see you inside the course. Thank you.